everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. Today I'm going to help you get to know your 2021 Deluxe Digital Planner. We have 8 versions of this planner on the store, and right now I'm showing you the Marine Deluxe Digital Planner. When you get your planner, the best place to start is probably under this question mark tab, which is available on every single page of the planner. On this first page, you will land on the linked index. It lists every single page in order, and there are links. So if I were to tap on the cover, we go to the cover. The next page after the cover is your welcome page. Now, of course, you could always just swipe one page at a time to learn your planner, because after the welcome page is our year calendar view, which has December 2020 as well as all of 2021. And then we fall right into December 2020, starting with the month dashboard, which is a great place for you to plan each of your months. So if we come back to the index, we see that after the year calendar was our 2020 December month, which starts first with the dashboard. Next is the overview grid. Then we'll come to week 1. Now, on the index, we just have week 1, week 2, 3, 4, 5 linked here, because following each week, if I go back to week 1, are the days. Now you can either swipe and you'll get to the days. So on week 1, I get to December 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and the next swipe would be week 2. Now you can also, on each of the week's pages, immediately jump to an individual day for that week. And with our color code system, I can see I'm on week 2 and December 10th. And these circles at the top would let me hop around week 2 of December within that week's days. So if you look here, after we finish all 5 weeks of December 2020, we're going to start 2021. So if I were on the very last day of December 31 and I swiped one page, I'm going to hit January. And for our 12 months of 2021, we have what we call landing pages, and those are also accessed on these tabs right here. So I have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. We don't have a landing page for December 2020. It just starts immediately with the dashboard. And you can only access December 2020 from the year calendar. But once you're done with 2020, you're ready to jump right into 2021. So if I click on the bold name January in my index, I go to the landing page. Then after that would be the dashboard for January. Then the overview grid. And then week 1. Week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5/6. The way we've designed the planner is for 5-week months, and there are a couple of months that end up just barely going over into the 6th week, but we end up putting that on week 5/6 because it would just be one day. I believe for this month, we've only got January doing that, and May does it with 2 days. And interestingly enough, February We actually have a week 4/5 because it's got an extra little day here. And that's how we've designed this planner. So I think it's self-explanatory that each month is set up in the same order. You first come to that month's landing page, the month dashboard, the grid overview for the month, which of course any of these links of the days jump right to that day, and I can jump right back to the grid by tapping the name of the month. I can jump to any week with these week tabs on the side. So the 12 months of 2021 follow in order. And I can click on any one of these and jump right to that spot. I think you'd probably understand that 12 months would come in order, but what comes next may not be as intuitive for you. What we have is our tab landing pages and the templates that come with each section. The first tab is the track tab, and we have it listed right here. If I were to tap on that, I go to the track landing page. I would arrive here also if I had just tapped on this tab. After the landing page for one of our category tabs, you're going to first find the templates, like a habit tracker. Copying pages is super simple in Xodo. You'll just want to tap on what I call the waffle grid in this lower left corner. That's where you're going to see all these thumbnails. If I press and hold it, it's selected the page I was on, and I just have to tap on these ... and I can tell it to duplicate that page. It's now showed up right after it. I can deselect that one, and if I wanted to, I could even move this page to the particular month that I wanted in, let's say. Or if I put it in the wrong spot, I just delete it and it goes away. Next comes the medical info template, and then the contact template. Now back to the index. The first category tab was track. The next one is budget. And behind budget is the monthly budget template. Then the next tab is shopping lists. And behind it is a shopping list template. Of course, if I want to duplicate it, I can just tell it to add another one. So now I've got multiple pages. Now if we go back, the next tab was sermon notes, and it has a template for sermon note. Back to the index. Next would come the My Journal. And behind My Journal is a journal entry template. Then we have the project category tab, which has a My Project template stored there. Then we have parties and a party plan page template. Next section with the airplane is travel with a vacation template. Then we have reading logs with a reading log template. Then comes our notes tab. And in the notes tab, there are 3 templates stored here. Just like track had 3, all the others just have 1, but track and notes have 3 templates. There's a meeting notes template, and then just a lined paper. and a graph paper. After the graph paper would come our bonus tab. This section is a section that you could label anything that you want. Maybe it's going to have all of your work stuff in it. You can store whatever you need in that whole section. And then our tab that comes down here next to the question mark, we're calling this My Templates. This is a place where you can design using the tools your own templates. And then if it's a template that you want to use again and again, you can store it here. And we've even linked this line right here where it would go to the template that you've designed and that you've labeled. Maybe it's another one for hours worked, and maybe you're tracking jobs, and so you're going to design a template for hours worked. We have 5 of those. So there's a blank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, if you just want a blank page, maybe you just want to doodle on it, sketch anything on it, you can just copy one of these blank pages and put it in any month section or any one of our category sections. You can really customize and personalize this just how you like to plan and how you like to organize your days and organize your projects. After that tab, we come to the question mark tab, which is where we already are. And that's where you're going to first find, it says here, you are here on the index. So I can't really tap index because I'm already here. And then next would be what we're calling the basics. And we've got all of those tabs labeled. So you might want to start there. I think you could probably figure out. But these are the landing pages for the month, and then these are the front cover, the year overview, calendar at a glance, and then each of our categories. There are also a few questions on this page, like what are the tabs? How do I get the month links? How do I get to a month page? How do I get to a week page? So you can also read the answers to all those questions, and we have quick links so you can find more videos about syncing this. We do have that online on our YouTube channel because that's very important if you want to use this on all of your devices. We have email contacts and our stores and our blog, more frequently asked questions, and then the last thing on the index is called How to Add Pages, and we have both GoodNotes and Xodo. And then, of course, if you're a Samsung user, steps for Xodo. So that is our whole linked index that I wanted to walk through. And by doing that, hopefully I've showed you our entire planner. So we do have 8 different versions on the store. Each has a different color and color palette to appeal to all different tastes and interests. We thank you for watching. Please like this video. Subscribe to our channel, comment, and ask us questions. We love to hear from you. Be blessed and have a great day.